Yeah. Hope you all can see the screen here now.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. We can see, sir.
Yes. So I'll be giving you a couple of instructions before getting into the actual lesson today. But first of all, everyone look at this here. You are in 9th right now, right? So next 10th standard. Okay. Next 10th standard. After that 11th
Intermediate.
and 12th. Okay. This is we call as a intermediate. Okay. Okay. Intermediate. We say inter. We say simple inter. Okay. Yes.
Yes, sir.
So everything, look at this, 90% of the times, whatever the topics you learned in 9th standard, 90% of the topics again you'll be learning in class 10th. Getting my point? So class 10th again you'll be using in class 11th. Whatever you learned in class 11th again you'll be some of a couple of concepts in class 12th. So which means what you understood from this?
Ninth is continued everywhere.
Class 9th is very,
Sir?
very important. Very.
Sir, but actually it starts from 8th grade, sir. 8th grade,
Yes,
I mean,
sir.
9th
8th
grade
is
is
connected
totally
to 10th.
dependent on 9th grade. I mean,
Yes, it is like that. Yes, that is why we come step by step. I'm telling you, so far what has
yes,
been
it
done.
comes from 8th grade actually.
Yeah, it has been done. So far, whatever we have done, what's done, it is done. So leave that. Now, 9th standard, which is very important for 10th standard. So if you do not learn in 9th standard properly, that shows an impact on class 10th. So make sure that you all listening the classes properly. So why, see here, let me tell you why 9th standard is very important. I told better 90 to 90% of the syllabus again you'll be covering up in 10th standard. Same thing, but in somewhat deepest manner. Okay, somewhat deepest manner you will be learning. Oh, getting my point all? Are you all
Yes,
getting my
sir.
point? Yes.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Very good. So for that, what you need to do, you have to do very, very good things. What are they? First of all, listen the class properly. Listen the class. So when attend the classes regularly, first point, attending the class. Attend regularly. Hope you all understanding my handwriting.
Yes.
Attend regularly.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, yes.
Attend regularly. Listen carefully. Listen the class carefully. After finishing the class, revise the notes for 10 minutes. Okay. And finish the homework every day. Finish the homework every day. Okay. All right. If you are absent, if you are going to miss the class, inform us prior. Okay. All this basic information you should know. These 4 points are very, very important. To make good result, you have to be thorough with this. You have to be like so consistent in these 4 statements. Getting my point, beta? Hope it is clear. Hope it is clear.
Yes, sir.
Yes, yes, sir.
Now, so why it is important? If you don't study properly 9th standard, it will show an impact on 10th standard. 10th standard is your board exam. You'll be learning, you'll be writing your board exams in 10th standard. Okay. At 10th standard is board exam marks would be your life kind of life deciding thing. If you study well in 10th standard, you'll be getting into good, I mean, you'll be getting into a good zone of that particular study mode in 11th and 12th. If you study well in 11th and 12th, you'll be getting into good engineering or MBBS college, and after that your life will be completely changing. So for that, what is the base now? 9th standard is very base. All right, so you must be so consistent in terms of attending the class, listening the class, doing your work sincerely. You have to be so consistent in that. See, you have fun, you enjoy yourself, you go out, just go and play, everything you have to do, but finish the things properly every day. Attend regularly, listen the class properly, revise the notes for 10 minutes. See here, sir, is it possible to revise the entire class notes within 10 minutes? Yes, absolutely, it is possible. Within 10 minutes, this is definitely possible. When it is possible? If you are listening the class properly. Listening the class properly, attend regularly, listen the class properly, it is definitely possible to revise the entire notes within 10 minutes. If you are not revising the notes, what happens? Again, you come up with a fresh concept, you come to the next class, you will not understand anything. Again, it will be keep postponing of what? Lack of that, confidence. You'll be keep postponing that confidence. So you need to boost your confidence. No one is going to no one is going to see, we cannot come your home and check whether what you are doing. All right, you have to be so genuine yourself. You are not small LKG and UKG boys, you are a 9th standard students. So you understand what is the process, what is the things can be done, what are the things cannot be done. So these are the things you definitely knows, right? You guys know that. You guys know, am I correct? You know that, right? Yes.
Yes, sir.
So these are the things which I wanted to tell you before starting the regular classes. So yes, let's get started with the let's get started today's class. Now we will start today's class. Look at this here. Just a minute. I think so many of you are messaging me. One second. Many of you are texting me. I just like.
It was actually a problem reloading it while joining, sir. It took a lot of time reloading and then join.
Yes. Just a minute, beta. See here. So we will start with the real numbers. So first lesson name is what? Real numbers. So today we are going to talk about real numbers. It is a very simple topic. We can finish it up within
Sir, we can say like real number means like any number which can be formed on the number
just a
line
minute.
is called as a real number.
Yes.
Sets of rational, irrational numbers are nothing but real numbers.
Yes. So first of all, real number in real numbers would be in a class 10th you'll be getting. First of all, you are in 9th standard, right? I'm sorry. So number system. Your topic name is number system.
First
Number
chapter,
system.
yes, sir.
So we will start with the
First
number
chapter,
system.
sir.
Yes. In number systems, one second. Number systems, your first lesson. So first of all, we'll go with the number system. As soon as we finish number system, we'll go with the next topic. Okay. Shall
Okay,
we
sir.
start? Okay. It is a very, very simple topic. You need not to worry much about it. And one more thing, beta. One more thing. If at all you have any doubts, you have to follow a couple of terms and conditions. Okay. If you have any doubts, feel free to ask me the doubts at whatever the time you want. But when I'm teaching you something, don't interrupt me. Don't talk in between the class. Number 1 point. Number 2 point is, if I give a question, everyone must respond. Everyone put a message. Everyone put your answer in chat box. Okay. And if you do not know the concept, if you are not able to understand, you have to put a message called IDK. What is the meaning of IDK?
I don't know.
I don't know.
Yes,
I don't know.
yes, we have launched a concept called I don't know. Everyone must follow this I don't know concept. Okay. All right. Getting my point? Understood or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Let us
sir.
make the things very simple. Let us not make it so complicated. So let us make very simple. Okay. Yes. Number system. First of all, in number systems, so let us talk about what are the numbers we are going to talk about in this number system family. It is a family of numbers. It is a family of numbers. I'm sure you might have learned about different numbers, like natural numbers. Natural numbers.
Sir, can I say?
Just a minute. Whole numbers. Yes. 1 second. Integers. Next, rational. I'll call individually. You have to respond in the class. Okay. Rational, irrational. Until and unless I call Until and unless I call someone, you shouldn't respond. Okay. Okay. Next, real numbers.
So should this be written?
Everyone must write. Everyone must write whatever I'm speaking here, whatever I'm talking, whatever I'm giving the notes. Everyone must write that. Okay. Now look at this here. First of all, look at this here. All these numbers comes under real numbers. So first let us discuss all this: natural numbers, whole numbers, and integers. Okay. Yes. Yes. Natural number is nothing but what, better? Natural numbers, everyone knows that natural numbers are positive numbers. The numbers which are positive. Let me give a short notes. Look at this, very simple and quick notes. Let us not write big theory. Okay. Positive numbers. Examples. All the positive numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Correct? And so on. Sir, why don't we include 0? But 0 is positive or negative, tell me. Anyone of you?
Sir, it's not defined.
Zero is neither positive nor
Sir,
negative.
it is
neither positive nor negative.
Sir, it's not defined.
Yes. So that is the reason we will not include 0 here. So we always write 1, 2. We start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. That is natural numbers family. Okay, but understood my point? Yes. Very simple, need not to bother
Yes.
much. Yes. Whole number is nothing but what? Whole number is nothing but what?
If we add 0 to the number to the group
Yes.
of numbers.
Yes. Group of, look at it, it's a 0 number. I'll be adding 0 here.
0, 1, 2, 3 to
And
unlimited.
so on. Starting with 0. Integers is nothing but what, beta? Whole
Negative
number
and the negative numbers, the zeros,
the
and
negative
the
and the
positive
positive
numbers
numbers.
combined to form the
Sir, we
integers.
can
Positive
say
numbers.
the collection of positive
They're the
plus
set
negative
of
numbers.
positive and negative numbers.
set of positive and negative numbers. Very good. So it is like example, if I say example, look at this here. So 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on. You say -1, -2, and so on. All these are integers or not?
Yes,
So
sir.
you can include
Yes.
positive numbers, including positive numbers as well as negative numbers, and you can include 0 as well. Okay. Coming to rational number. Rational number is nothing but what? A number which can be written as in the form of p by q. They are rational numbers. Irrational number is nothing but what? The number which is not able to write in the form of p by q. They are irrational numbers. Let me talk about an example. Look at this here. In fact, here q shouldn't be equal to 0. Okay. Q shouldn't be equal to 0. And here q shouldn't be equal to 0. Okay. Here p by q, here not p by q. Okay. Getting my point? Very simple. Okay. Yes. Now look at this here. Let me tell you. P by q example. Let us talk about an example. Tell me 2 is a rational number or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Tell me root 2 is a rational number or not?
No, sir.
No.
No, it is not.
No,
a real
sir.
number. Look at this here. 2 can be written as 2 by 1. So it is equal to p by q or not? Yes. We are able to write in the form of p by q.
Yes, sir.
So it is a rational number. If I say root 2 can be written as 2 to the power of 1 by 2. Isn't it? Am I correct? All
Yes.
the root
Yes.
numbers you cannot write. All the root numbers are not rational numbers. See here. Now what is irrational number? Example. Look at this. Irrational number is nothing but root 2 is a rational number. Irrational number. Root 3 is a irrational number. And
Pi.
so on. And so on. These are etc. Clear? Understood my
Sir?
point? Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes.
In irrational numbers, just like you said that not p by q form, so can it be like q can be in the form of like 0? Hello?
Yes. You can talk to me.
Yes, sir. In irrational numbers, you said that p in where that p by q form is there, can q be equal to 0?
That is what I'm saying, beta. Q shouldn't be equal to 0, beta. Denominator part shouldn't be equal to 0. See, let me tell you, whenever in mathematics, remember one thing, Ananya, very good doubt. Look at this, correct. Very good, Ananya. Look at this. Here, P by Q, I said no, right? Here q shouldn't be equal to 0. Never, never. See why? Because look at this here. If I write something 2, p is 2 beta, q is 0. It is undetermined form. What is this? It is indeterminate form. What is this? You say these are indeterminate.
Not defined.
Yes, not defined. You say indeterminate form. You say anything is correct. Not defined. This is not defined. So denominator part is always not defined. Whenever you say something divided by 0 is always not defined. Ananya, got clear? Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir. Got it.
So from this, what you learned now? From this, what you learned now? Can I say now? Look at this here. Can I say now? Can I say all the numbers which are in root form, like root 7, root 5, root 10, all these numbers are what? Irrational numbers. Now, can I give one more example? Look at this here. Let me tell you one more example. Now, you must give me an answer whether it is an irrational number or not. Let's say 1.00, 1.0001, 2, 4, 5, 6, 3, and so on. Tell me whether it is irrational number or rational number.
Irrational.
Irrational number. Why? Because it is not getting stopped. It is
Not terminated.
It is not terminated.
It's non-terminating.
Very good.
It is a
It's
non-terminating.
non-terminating number.
Very good. Very good. Congratulations, all. You are doing very, very good. Everyone giving fantastic, fabulous, wonderful, beautiful, superb, whatever the synonyms you have. Everyone doing very well. Everyone
Excellent.
Excellent. Whatever.
Enthusiastic.
Very good. Very good. Yes, jokes apart, let's get into this now. Now tell me one more example. Pi. What is a pi value? Pi, whether it is an irrational number or a rational number?
22 by 7, which is 3.1.
Sir, it's irrational number.
Irrational.
Sir, it is
Is
irrational.
also irrational number, which is also a non-terminating, correct?
Rational
It's a
number.
non-terminating.
Very good.
Non-terminating.
Hope everyone understood. But whichever terminating.
All irrational numbers are non-terminating.
Exactly. Look at this here. Now look at this here. Rational number can be written as what? P by Q form. Irrational number is nothing but what? Not P by Q form. And in both numbers, Q shouldn't be equal to 0, beta. Q shouldn't be equal to 0. If Q equal to 0, what happens, beta? If Q is equal to 0, what happens?
There's no
Not
value.
defined.
Not defined.
Not defined.
Yes, very simple. Everyone might have understood now. Now, very simple. All these things.
Sir, but pi can be defined as 22 by 7, right?
Yes, beta. 22 by 7, right? 22 by
Sir,
7.
but
means
yes, sir,
1
it
second.
can also be written in the form of 22 by 7, which is P by Q.
Exactly. Very good doubt. Look at it. 22 by 7, right? 22 by 7, divide this now. What happens now? 7,
3.14.
7, 3 is 21. 1 reminder. So again, 7, 1, 7. 7.
Sir, 3.14.
Yes.
Non-terminating.
Look at it. Pi value. What is the pi value? Tell me. Pi value.
3.14.
3.14.
No,
3.14.
Who said 3.1? 3.14, 1, 5, again 9, 2, 6, 5, 3, 5, 8, 9,
So there are a lot
7,
of
9,
numbers, sir.
3, 9, 2, 3, 8, 4, 6, 2, 6, 4, 3, 3, 8, 3. Even I write for 1 year, 2 years, 10 years, it will be keep repeating. It will never stop. Understood my point?
They're non-terminating.
Yes, sir.
Understood now how it is, how fun
Yes.
it is. Are you able to understand better now? Now what
Yes,
did
sir.
you understand?
Yes,
Now
sir.
tell me, those who have asked, now can you write this big number in the form of P by Q?
Yes.
Sir, yes, sir,
No,
that
sir.
big number
No,
by
sir.
1.
That big number, I don't know where it is terminating.
No,
See
sir.
here, yes, where it is stopping.
Sir,
you
it
don't
will
know.
be
If you do
impossible.
not know where it is stopping, how can you write it in the form of P by Q?
Sir,
You
no,
cannot.
sir.
No,
Like
sir, it cannot be written.
Sir, non-terminating numbers can't be written in the form of P by Q.
Exactly, that is what I'm
Sir,
saying.
can't we write the big number by 1?
That big number, you don't know what is that big number, right? That is what I'm saying. You understand my point? Look at this here. What I'm trying to say.
Sir,
First
if
of all,
any number with point is not ending, it's irrational and non-terminating.
yes. So yes, that meant I meant to say here is who is that? Look at this here. 2. First of all, let's talk about an example 2. Okay, 2 is there. Okay. Now 2, it is terminated. We don't have anything like look at this 2. This is 2 by 1. I can write this as. So this is rational number. Now 3.141592 and so on, like it is keep repeating. Okay, it is non-terminating. Now I don't know where it is stopping. I don't know what is the last digit of that. It never ends, it never terminates. So that is the reason you cannot make in the form of P by Q. That is the concept. Clear? If it is not terminating,
Yes,
if
yes.
I don't know where it is stopping, which means you cannot write in the form of P by Q, which is nothing but non-terminating numbers cannot be written in the form of P by Q forms. That is what I meant to say. Any doubts here?
No doubt, sir.
No doubts.
Now let me ask you a question here. Any one of you are, do you have any doubt, like, are you guys able to follow the pace? Am I talking fast? Am I teaching fast? Are we going fast? Or is there
No,
any
sir.
one second?
Sir, we are able to understand your pace.
We are
Able
able to
to follow
understand.
the
Sir, we are
pace.
able to understand, sir. Sir,
Very
for
good.
Able to
me,
follow the pace, sir.
sir, for me, it's a little bit too fast, sir. I'm not
Okay.
able to feed everything.
So
with
for
it.
me also,
Okay.
it's a
We
little
will
bit.
go somewhat slow. We will go somewhat slow.
Slower.
Okay. Now look at this here. Tell me where you guys have not understood here.
Sir, I
Understood.
couldn't understand the pi part. Like, how can we write it of P by Q1? That pi.
Sorry.
Yes, sir, we can write the whole decimal number by one also.
Because my math teacher already finished this lesson today. Okay. Okay. Very good. Okay.
And I'm not understanding non-terminating only. So terminating, non-terminating, I'm not understanding.
Okay. Okay. What else?
Sir, I have a question.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, you said that 22 by 7 is 3.1444 like that value. Can we represent it as a form of 1? Like many times we have heard that you can, if there is no fraction, you can represent it by 1.
Representing it as 1. How can you write it as 1, beta?
By 1.
By 1.
By how can you look at it here? For suppose if I have 1.2, okay, 1.2. Tell me 1.2 is a rational number or irrational number?
Rational.
It is a rational
Rational.
number. Look at it. 1.2
It is
can be written as 12 by 10. Correct. I'm able to write in the form of P by Q. Now look
Sir,
at this.
we can also write 1.2 by 1.
1.2 by 1. It is also, look at it. Simply 12 by 10, which is nothing but 6 by 5. Correct.
Yes.
That is how
sir.
I'm able to write. Now,
Yes, sir.
look at this pi. Why it is a irrational number? Let me explain you. But look at this. It is a irrational number, which means that it is a real number that cannot be expressed by a simple fraction. Now, this is my number, beta. This is a terminated number. I'm able to represent in a simple fraction. Understood, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
I'm able to represent in a simple fraction. Now, can you able to represent this into a simple fraction? This big number, you can't. Why? Because
Sir, there is also
So
no
the digits are unending first to put the number of zeros by 1.
Exactly. Why? That's because pi is in mathematicians called an infinite decimal. Mathematicians call that infinite decimals, which is nothing but like after like no decimal, there are infinite numbers. They are not stopping. After the decimal point, the
Yes, sir.
digits go forever and ever. They never stops actually. After decimal, I'm talking about 3.1415926. I wrote like it never stops. It goes forever and ever, which is nothing but it forever goes, keep going. Even you solve for 100 years, it will never stops. Understand my point? So that is the
Yes.
reason you cannot
sir.
make into a simple fraction. Hope it is clear now. Very
Yes.
simple logic.
Sir,
Very
till
simple.
how much do you know pi, sir? Till how much decimals?
How much? That is what no one knows. No one knows. Even mathematicians found
It's
that
an
it,
unending. You keep on doing it, keep on
it
going.
keep on coming.
No. How much till like sir knows, like he's telling the correct one, 3.144.
How? That is how we are saying that.
159.
That is what that is
No,
what
sir, like how many ending of digits do you know is the question.
my acha, I like,
You know, that's not my question.
yes.
Sir,
Tell me
I
what-
was asking like till how much at least should we know the pi? Till how much digits we should know?
At how many decimals you should remember? 3.14 is enough. 3.14 is enough. Up to 2 decimals. That's enough.
Sir, your voice was breaking earlier.
3.4.
So.
Yeah. Now what I'm saying is up to 2 decimals is enough. Better. Need not to remember more than that. 3.14 is more than enough. Even for your higher studies,
Sir,
3.14.
doesn't know up to 100, sir, 100 digits.
Yeah, 3.14 till up to 2 decimals. Okay, clear? Shall we move forward now?
But sir, while
Yes, sir.
solving in this chapter for few questions, until we solve it, we have to keep on doing it, sir.
Yes. But that situation occurs for very few numbers.
Sir, can we write approximate for those numbers?
Yes, you can write that if it is allowed.
Sir,
it is
like that means, sir, can I ask something?
yes, please.
Sir, like that means we can say if there's no definite value for this number, sir, then can we count the when we like trying to
Your voice is
figure
breaking.
out the circumference
Your voice is
of
breaking.
a circle?
No, your voice is breaking.
Correct answer, right, sir? For a circle, put it in the chat box.
I think someone is talking. I don't hear you properly. Yeah. See, beta, look at this. It is not.
I think she told she put.
Okay, no problem. Look at this here. Now, let's get into real numbers. Next type of number is what? Real numbers. Any doubts here till this?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Real numbers. Very good. Shall we go for the real numbers now? I think someone of you are texting. You text me, I'll read that. Let's go with the real numbers now. Okay. Real number is nothing but beta any number. Look at any number.
Are even irrational?
Yes, that is what I'm trying to say here. Look at this. Any number which can be represented on the number line. Which can be, let me finish fully, then I'll come to this. Okay, I'll come to your doubt. Which can be represented on the number line is a real number. Real number I denote with capital R. Okay. It includes.
Sir, matlab, pi is again not a real number, no, sir, because
one
we
second.
cannot.
Let me finish. Then you can ask me. Okay. If I finish, then you can ask me. I'm teaching in half. Please, so, like I'm repeating every one of you. When I am just giving a statement, please do listen it. Then you just can talk. Okay. But because if you talk in between, some some students may not understand. Some students may get disturbed.
Sorry,
No, it is fine. It is completely fine. But I need not to be sorry on that. Let me finish the statement. Then you can do. Okay. Yes. Now look at it. It includes. It includes both rational and irrational. And look at it, every point
Okay.
on the number line represents a unique real number. A unique real number. Okay. See here.
Sir, I gave my question in the chat box.
Yes, just a minute. Look at this here. Any number which can be represented on the number line is a real number. A real number is nothing but what? If I take any number line, number line like this, any number you take which I'm able to represent as a number line, that particular number is called as a real number. It includes both rational and irrational numbers. It includes both rational and irrational numbers. Understood my point? Clear?
Yes, sir.
Why it is include both rational and irrational number? Irrational also, look at this here. It is non-recurring decimal, right? Non-recurring decimal, which is nothing but non-terminating. Here, I can, for suppose if this is 1 here, let's say this is 1, or you say 0, 0, okay, 0, 0.999999 would be also somewhere you can represent, right? Somewhere it will be here, somewhere. Let's
yes,
say
this
is 1 here, 0.9 would be somewhere here, somewhere here. 0.999.
Sir, the changes will be very minor, sir.
Very minor, very minor. Hope you are able to feel what I'm trying to say here. Well, let's say I'll take here.
Yes, sir,
for suppose beta, here 1 here, 0 is here, 1 is here. It is 0.5. Let's say 0.5 is here. Okay, 0.6, 0.7, 0.9 would be somewhere here. 0.99999. Look at it, very minor. very minute, 0.999, and also you can represent on the number line. All right, getting my point?
Yes,
Understood
sir.
my
The
point?
further it goes, the least change.
If further it goes a least change, you will be having a
It
very
may
small change.
minute.
Yes, 1 second. Someone has texted me. Shreyasi, sir, that means there is no ending or like a specific number for pi. So we can say that when we can try to figure out the answer for circumference of a circle, the answer we get it not accurate at any chance. You can write
Then it is
approximate answer. Shreyasi,
Sir,
you can,
even the pi,
one,
which is
please, please, please.
3.14.
1 second, Lalita Aditya, 1 second. Shreyasi, you can write an approximate answer for that. You need not to be write that. Okay, if you are not able to terminate, you can write approximate up to 2 decimals. You can write it. Understood my point, Shreyasi? Need not to write the full number. You can write up to 2
Yes, sir.
decimals.
But what I am trying to say is,
Yes,
yes, sir.
tell me.
So, like, can we also write 3.14, the pi on the number line, because like it's never ending. So how do
Yes.
we know?
Yes. Yes, someone of you is saying that.
Sir, I can't hear your voice. It's very low.
Sir, Nitya, she raised her hand.
Sir,
So,
Yes, tell me.
So I have a small question.
Mhm.
So,
One
when
second, someone of
Sir,
you
your
was-
voice is very low, sir.
sir, I cannot hear you, sir.
Sir, we can barely hear you.
So can you increase the volume of your system?
volume of the thing, if I even it is 100%, even include that, it doesn't make. Yes, can you hear me now?
No, sir, the same.
No, sir. Little. Sir, try keeping the mic near your lip.
Yes.
Yeah, better.
Yes, tell me now.
So I have a small question.
Yes.
Sir, so on a number line, there is another type also where every point we like derive it and write it, which they have given it in the book. So coming on to that point, you said any number which can be represented on the number line. So, but how can we represent the number pi? Because it has many decimal values, and all those decimal values, how can we represent it on it?
You can't
We say
represent
it's
all
a
that. That is what I'm saying, beta. And that is what I'm saying. You can yeah, accurately you cannot do that, but I'm trying to say there will be with a small changes you can make it. Understood my point?
Sir, like only for 3.14.
Sir, we cannot represent
Very,
the
very
point, but
very-
it lies on the line.
Yes, it lies on the line. That is what I meant to say. Your voice is breaking. I think there is an issue from my side, I think.
Sir, it's from your side, so your voice is
Yes, sir,
breaking.
it's from your side.
Yeah, 1 second. I think I'm not.
Sir, like you could take a specific area and we can say it like this.
म्हणजे तुम्हाला
Sir,
1 second. I'm fixing up the another device. 1 second.
Sir, will you take extra 5 minutes?
Definitely, I'll take it. Oh my goodness. Now my voice is clear. Check. It's not coming. Oh my God. Now can you hear
So
me?
now it's clear, sir.
Yes, sir. Now
Yes,
it
clear,
is
sir.
crystal clear. Sir.
Yes.
Yeah, sir. So I was.
Yes, beta. Now is it clear? Hope if now. Hello. Check.
Sir?
Yes, sir. I have a doubt.
Yes. 1 second. Yeah. Now what I meant to say was here. Yes, you can represent on the number line, but it is a kind of big task. It's a kind of big task. You can assume. Look at this. Let me tell you. For that,
we have to take like 3 times of 4 times number
Sir, it
line.
basically lies on the number line, but we can't represent
yes,
it.
Sir,
we
we
can't
can
represent
represent-
accurately. 1 second. If you
Sir.
allow me to talk, I'll talk it.
Oh, yes, sir. Yes.
Yes. Yes, you can represent on the number line, but accurately you can't mention at one position. Okay. So for that, what you have to do is phi can be defined in many ways. Phi can be defined in many ways. Am I correct? You could take a circle for that with a unit of 1 diameter. So this concept probably I'll be teaching you again in the next class. You can take a circle of unit of 1. You can take a circle with a unit of 1 diameter. So 1 diameter, 1 unit. Okay, and its circumference would be pi. Correct? Circumference would be pi.
Yes, sir.
Now map that circle by opening it up and lying it on the number line like this. I just made sure that that circle is lying on the number line. That place where it ends is your pi point. You understand my point? What I'm trying to say here is like, I'll show,
Yes,
I'll
sir.
show
Sir,
a
it will be
small,
something between 3 and 3.2.
yes, I'll show, yes, 3.14 is my 3.14 at 3.2. It will be, look at this here.
It can be represented in that area.
Yeah, in that area, and that to look at this here, we can't. It lies on the number line, that is for sure, but you can't mention it where it exactly is lying accurately. For that, I probably might show you a small clip video in the next class. I'll show you a small clip video how it is, how can we represent on the number line by the help of that circle with a unit of 1 unit diameter. Understood my point? I'll be showing a small video clip on that. So this is how you can do that beta. Till this, any doubts?
Doubt, sir.
Yes. Yes.
Sir, you
okay.
said that like any number which can be represented on the number line is a real number. So can it be done for fractions or decimals as well? Because
Can you repeat again?
you said that every number
Yes.
is a real number. Can fractions, decimals come in the form of real numbers?
Fractions comes in the form of real numbers. You see, you are saying that
The fractions can be converted into decimals, right? So decimals
Exactly.
can be in number lines.
yes, fractions can be converted into decimals. Decimals also can be converted into fractions.
Like are decimals also part of real numbers? I mean.
Yes, exactly. Then why not? Look at this here. That is what I'm about to say. That is what I'm about to say now. Look at this here. First of all, what we learned so far? A real number. A real number is a big family. This is the boss. This guy is a boss. He is a king. Okay. In real number family only, everyone will come. Who will come? Look at this here. First of all, in real number, natural numbers will come. Okay. Natural number is a subset of whole numbers or not?
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
in whole
sir.
numbers, natural numbers will be there. That's what I meant to say. In whole numbers, now whole numbers is a subset of what?
Rational.
Integers.
Integers.
Yes, integers. Integer is a subset of what?
Rational.
Rational. Rational numbers is a subset of what?
Irrational.
Irrational.
Irrational number is a subset of what? All these numbers are subset of real numbers.
Real numbers.
Real numbers.
Okay, this is how that understood my point now, Ananya?
Yes, sir.
Yes, so this is how the diagram would be. This is a basic understanding you must know. Okay, all natural number will comes in whole numbers, and whole number comes in integer, and a real number comes in real number comes in integer. Integers comes in real numbers, real number comes in irrational numbers, irrational comes in real number. That's how we can just represent. Clear? Any doubt till this? Yes, you can ask me the doubt. If anyone of you are having any doubts, you can ask me immediately, please. Yes, Nitya, I think Nitya, she wants to leave.
Sir,
You can
I
leave.
have a doubt again.
Yes.
Sir, can pi come in the form? Is pi a part of real numbers?
Definitely, why not? You can, that is what I told, right? You can represent on the number line It lies definitely
Since
on the
it's
number line.
so since it's a non-terminating number, like
Yes.
it has many.
So like
Absolutely.
irrational numbers are in number line, so of course pi is also in the number line.
Yes, real number. Why? Because irrational number is a subset of real number. So it is also a real number. Understood my point? Subset of real number.
Sir, how is a rational number a subset of irrational?
Look at this here. What I meant to say here is better. Look at this here. Natural numbers. Natural number is what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Whole number is what? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. In whole numbers, all natural numbers are coming. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Let me tell you here. Let me show it to you. Look at this here. Here, all these numbers are coming. Here also or not? Yes. All
Yes,
these
sir.
natural number coming in whole numbers. Okay. Now look at this. All these whole numbers coming in integers or not? Like that.
Yes, sir.
Integers
sir.
are coming in rational numbers.
Yes.
Understood my point?
Yes.
And so on. It keeps goes on like that. Understood
Yes,
my
sir.
point? So all these numbers
Rational.
are, yes, all these numbers are family of what? Real numbers. Where is that? Yes.
This is
Real
called
number is
the
a
number
clear.
system.
Yes. This is what the number system. This is, he is a boss. Real number is a boss. Under that, natural numbers, whole numbers, integer, rational, irrational, real numbers. Everyone will comes under this guy. Understood my point?
It's in basically like a solar system.
It is a solar system exactly. Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir. Very clear.
Yes.
Solar system, sir. But we can see it as a solar system when you put the real number in the middle as a sun.
Yes.
The
You
solar
can say
system
that.
of number system.
Exactly. Hope any doubts still is so better. You have got an idea what is real number now. What are the numbers we include under real numbers? What is rational, irrational number? Why can't it be why pi is a irrational number? Why can't it be a rational number? You got an idea right now, right? Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Everyone, any doubts so far?
No doubt, sir.
No doubt.
No doubt, sir.
Very good. Everyone understood. Hope it is clear. And is there anyone that who is not able to follow the pace? Someone of you were saying that, sir, it was a bit fast. Now is it clear?
Sir, I think.
Yes, sir. For me, it's clear.
Sir, the girl who said she left, sir.
Okay. Great. Not an issue. So we will stop the class here itself. In the next class, we'll come up with a one more interesting concept. I'll make sure that how to, I'll try to show a small video clip on the representing pi on a number line by using a circle. Okay, which
Sir,
is
but
having
how are
diameter
you
1.
going to make it, sir? It is very small, right?
I'll show it. I'll show a video clip so that we will able to understand. We'll try to understand by using the video clip in the next class. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Sir,
Everyone
thank
understood.
you, sir.
Adya, Ave, Anvesha.
Sir, the
Pranay.
recording.
Yes, it is recording. I'll post it in the group. You can watch whenever you want. Yes, Pranil, Vedika, and Anish, Jasmita,
Yes, sir.
Dhatri, Tanvi, Ayesha, Lalita, Aditya, Joya, Ali, Manogna. Any doubt, guys?
No, sir.
No doubt, sir.
No,
sir.
Thank you, sir.
No doubt, sir.
Okay, can we leave now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Bye,
Thank
sir.
you,
Have a great day.
Thank
It's
you.
night time.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, have a great night.
Thank you,
How
sir.
good sleep can make.
Whatever.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
Have a
Bye,
nice
sir. Have
day.
a
Bye.
good evening.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.